Jamaicans are some of the warmest, funniest people you will ever meet, but there are a few unwritten rules, and breaking them will mark you as a clueless visitor instantly. Here are 7 things never to do in Jamaica. 1. Do not mock the accent. Patois is a real language and a point of pride. Try to imitate it as a joke, and you will lose the room fast. 2. Do not assume everyone smokes. It is a lazy stereotype, and to a lot of Jamaicans, it's genuinely disrespectful. 3. Do not skip your manners. Greetings matter here. Walk into a shop or a yard without a good morning or good evening, and you have already started on the wrong foot. 4. Do not disrespect your elders. Respect for older people is built into the culture. A little politeness goes a very long way. 5. Do not flash your wealth carelessly, and do not treat people like they are there to serve you. Jamaicans read arrogance instantly, and they have no time for it. 6. Do not spend the whole trip locked inside the resort. The best of Jamaica, the food, the people, the places, is all on the other side of that gate. 7. Do not mock so-called island time. Life moves at its own pace here, and honestly, the rest of us could learn from it. Respect the island, and the island opens up to you. If you love the culture, we made a Jamaican mixed with t-shirt. The link is below. Tell me in the comments, which of these surprised you the most?